Hello, people. We have a MacBook Pro we're going to be unboxing today. So let's do that. Let's pull this across. Okay. Okay. Okay, so first you have the MacBook. We'll set this aside for now. Looks like this is the MagSafe charger. Yep. Now, is this like an iPhone where we don't get a box? Oh, we do get a box. Look at that. How kind of them. Do we get an Apple sticker? See, this looks like a container. See this, like this? Is this just built like that? Just for, is this just excess cardboard? Okay. Oh, wow. Look at these Apple stickers. These are fancy. Got the metallic colored ones. We got the documentation. Okay, set that aside. Actually, I guess we should just put this back together. Every Apple product comes charged, so I'm assuming that. But first, we'll start with unboxing the charger. Where do you even start on this thing? Oh, right here. Cool. Very nice. Apple charger. I love that it's white while everything else is black. We're not gonna unbox that. I don't want to deal with that cable mess right now. Set this aside. We'll grab the top. Oh man, all right. So here we go. Sorry, the lights keep flickering. There's been some power issues today. Look at that. Look at that. It auto turns on. Hang on, let me adjust the camera here. Okay. This is quite fancy. I don't know the right way to take this off. How are you supposed to take this off? Wow. This is really nice. All right, we're gonna adjust the camera angle and finish setting this up.